I'm Mohammad Arif, an IMP certified mutual fund distributor. Being a Muslim myself, one common question I have been asked: are mutual fund investments halal? Let me first explain what is prohibited in Islam. In Islam, we are prohibited from investing in companies under two main criteria. One, we should avoid companies whose main source of income is from interest, such as banks and certain financial institutions. We should avoid companies who sell liquor, or income from gambling, or any other businesses that are prohibited. The secondary criteria is we should avoid companies who has a large source of funding through loans. Lesser exposure to loan is fine, bare minimum is acceptable. So now how do we select Sharia compliant funds? We can choose to invest in thematic funds such as the ethical fund offered by certain asset management companies. These funds are Sharia certified by TASIS, and only invest in companies which are permissible in Islam. In case you have any queries on how to invest in a Sharia manner, or you want to plan your financial goals, you can contact me by clicking on the link in the description. You may also download our app and start your mutual fund investments now.